Hello class. First of all, let's review the content of last class. Completely metamorphosed insects go through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Incomplete metamorphosed insects go through 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. What are the characteristics of these periods? So today let's learn more about insect development and characteristics. Whether it is complete or incomplete metamorphosis, the starting point of insect development is usually the egg. So what's the difference between insect eggs and the eggs we often see in our daily lives? Let's first take a look at this creative egg stage. The egg stage is the first stage of insect development. Outside the egg is a hard egg shell with a high degree of impermeability, and it is difficult for general pesticides to invade. Eggs come in a variety of shapes, including round, barrel, cylindrical, and even banana-shaped. They are also very rich in color: white, red, yellow, blue, green, and so on. In addition, insect eggs usually appear light when they are first born, and as hatching approaches, the eggs become darker, approaching gray, brown, or black. The way insects lay their eggs is also very special. It usually varies with species, and some single eggs, such as the longicorn and the papilio butterfly, are used to separating single eggs. Some produce together, such as pentatomid, the mantis. This is pentatomid eggs and the egg sheath of the mantis. Each egg sheath has a large number of eggs. Some, such as pine caterpillars, lay their eggs on the surface of plants. For example, when lacewings lay eggs, they secrete a special substance that pulls out filaments on the surface of the object and lays eggs at the top of the filaments in order to avoid competition or biting after hatching. Some, such as cicadas and locusts, lay their eggs in hidden places, such as inside branches or in the soil. Some insects lay their eggs and cover them with something. For example, can you find out where the eggs are in this picture? The answer is that they all contain insect eggs, a spit-like substance that cicadas secrete to hide their eggs from predators. Other insects lay their eggs in a very special way, such as belastomatid, which carries its eggs on its body to protect its young at all times. Students guess, carrying the egg is the female or the male. Then comes the young stage of vegetative growth. Insect larvae. The remarkable feature of insect larvae is a large number of food, nutrition, growth, and development. For citrus pests, the larval stage is the main harmful period and the key period of control. During the development of the larva, the body wall cannot grow as the body grows. So every once in a while, the larva takes off the old epidermis, a process called molting. The types of larvae are often classified by the type or number of their feet. If the thoracic appendage is only a protuberant sprout, called protopod, such as Hymenopteran parasitic wasp larvae. If there is neither thoracopod nor gastropod, it is called apod, such as Diptera larva. If the thorax foot is developed, and there is no abdominal foot, it is called oligopod, such as partial larvae of Coleoptera. If there are both thoracic and abdominal feet, it is called polypod type, such as Lepidoptera and leaf bee larvae. And then there's the pupal stage waiting to bloom. Pupa. It is a unique static insect state that completely metamorphosis insects must pass through when they transition from larva to adult, and drastic changes are carried out inside the insect during this period to transform larval organs into adult organs. Pupae are resistant to stress and have protection or hide in hidden places. So many species of insects often use pupae to survive bad environments or seasons, such as winter. As we have already introduced, there are 3 types of pupal stage: detached pupa, coated pupa, and parapupa. Finally, there is the adult phase of self-breakthrough. The idiom, escape from the shell, is familiar to everyone, which describes the phenomenon of insects emerging into adult insects. Eclosion is the process or phenomenon by which an adult insect sheds its skin from its previous state. It refers not only to the process of completely metamorphosed insects from pupa to adult, but also to the process of incomplete metamorphosed insects from final nymphs to adults. Okay class, that's all for today's lesson. Please preview the taxes and applications of insects. Find the eggs and pupae on campus. Record the spawning and pupae sites, and take pictures to upload to the WeChat learning group so that students can communicate with each other. I'll see you next time.